Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll finally be finishing up my media room. So excited to share this journey with you all. So if you're interested, please keep watching.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Alright, so here we are. This was probably about 6 months ago. This is before I painted the media room. I went to Lowe's to pick my color. I'll have the color on the screen for you all because I can't think of the name right now. But this room definitely gets a lot of use in the house, at least by me. I love being in here, especially now that I have completed it. This room took a little longer than I wanted it to, but I'm so happy that I took my time because it turned out better than expected. So this was my vision board as far as the color scheme. I really didn't want to go for the traditional red, black, and yellow in the media room. I kind of wanted to DIY a lot of stuff, do my own thing. So I purchased a lot of items off of Amazon. I will have all of these items linked down in the description box below for you all. I found all of my supplies at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree to complete all of my DIY projects. I did do a few shorts and posted those on my page, so if you have not seen those already, I'll go ahead and insert some of those in this video so you can see how those items were completed. I purchased these storage cubes from Target. I definitely needed to replace the ones that we had. My boys have had these for years now, and they were really worn out. So I wanted to put the current items in here and get rid of some of the items that were no longer needed. I do like these a lot better because they're taller and definitely a lot sturdier, and they fill the whole cubby, which is great because we have a lot of wires back there. I'm not sure if you saw that. You will see in a minute after I finish this, but we have a lot of small speakers that go to our surround sound, which I hate seeing wires. So I was happy that I was able to find these and cover that up, but I will find a way to contain all of those wires to make them look a lot better. All right, these pillow covers are from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. And I also found these at IKEA along with the inserts. A tip that I have when you are using inserts with pillow covers, get your insert larger than the actual cover. So my cover is 18 inches and the insert is 20 inches. I found the curtains and the throw from Amazon as well. I will have those linked. So I had 2 panels up here. I wanted to be a little more full. I hate when my curtains look flat. I like to see the pleats in them. So I decided to order 2 more. My rug came in from Amazon on this day. I had no idea Marilyn Monroe had a home decor line, and I absolutely love this rug. It is so soft, so I will have this link down below as well. I also ordered this Hutch from Amazon. I always feel like Bob the Builder in my videos because I'm always putting something together. Don't worry, my husband is usually behind the scenes helping me out with all of these projects. So I definitely appreciate him for all of his hard work because I know I drive him crazy. And 1, 2, 3. I wish it was that easy, but here we are. So with this Hutch, it did come with some silver knobs. I already had the gold ones, so I decided to switch those out and add my own touch to this. I found this contact paper at the Dollar Tree, and I wish I would have found this prior to putting this hutch together. It matched the rug perfectly, and it would have been a lot easier to apply if I was just able to put it onto the back end while it was flat, but I was able to make it work. All of the shelves didn't easily come out. I would have had to take this apart, and I didn't feel like doing that. So I was able to just slide it right through there, and it turned out just fine. That was a lot of work, you guys. So this is the next day. I did purchase this snack sign from Amazon as well, and I wanted to shop my home. So I remember I had this for my hot cocoa bar for Christmas last year, and I wanted to revamp it. I'll still be able to use it for a hot cocoa bar. I will just have to take the contact paper off, but I purchased enough stuff. So I definitely wanted to see what I had in my home to make all of this come together. I decided to personalize it by using my silhouette machine and add "Enjoy the Goodwin Family" to the front of this. Here's another personalized touch. I decided to use this movie clapper sign at Mr. and Mrs. Goodwin as the production, Jalil, my oldest, as the director. And fun fact, he is currently in college for film school, so I'm so proud of him. I added Jordan to the camera part, and then we've been married since 2003. I put always and forever on there, and then take 4 for party of 4. I wanted to get rid of these popcorn buckets, and I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, decided to personalize these using my silhouette machine as well. And the bigger buckets I did purchase from Amazon. As I mentioned before, as I will continue to mention, everything will be linked down in the description box below. As you can see, I went ahead and spray painted the G. The blanket ladder was made for us when we lived in Hawaii. The Goodwin blanket was a gift when we closed on our house. We got that from our lender. These battery operated lights are from Amazon as well. I definitely wanted to get something that can be used by a remote control, so I decided to measure from the baseboard to the top, and it's about 62 inches. So I went ahead and hung these up, and you will see how they operate. This next project is what I was most excited about. These can be very expensive, so I decided to make them on my own. These are the LED frameless display boards that you usually see in the theaters. I kind of wanted to do my own little twist to this, so of course I had to call in my husband for help, and I kind of had to step away because when we were hanging these up, it was a struggle. The plugs that he had to put in the wall kept like sinking in, so Jordan and I had to go to the store to get some items anyway. And it's so funny because shortly after we left, probably not even 10 minutes after we left, he had all of these hung. I've noticed when it comes to these projects, sometimes you just have to step away and take a breather and come back, and everything will come together. But I was so happy that he was able to help me out with this. So those LED fairy lights, I did put those around here, and I really wish they had a remote because I have to turn these on individually. So I'll try to find some that have a remote, but if you do decide to get these, you will have to turn them all on individually. All right, you guys, so here we are. Here is the finished product, and this media room definitely exceeded my expectations. I am so proud of myself, and I'm so happy with the way that this turned out. I told my husband, we're buying movies from now on. Whatever comes out in the theaters, if we can purchase it, this will be our little oasis because I'm obsessed with it, and I think I'll just sleep in here from now on. But anyway, let me know what you think down in the description box below. We have everything we need in here from our family games. What we are missing is a popcorn machine. We had one years ago, but it was a red one. I did sell it because we never used it. It was basically a lamp in my son's room, but I think I may purchase another one. I found the perfect one to go in here, but I just want to make sure we're going to use it. I just need to find better, I guess, recipes for the popcorn because it always tasted dry to me. I guess I wasn't using the right stuff, but let me know what you think down in the description box below. As I mentioned, I'm so excited about this room.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me.
We decided to go ahead and have a family movie night this night, and we wanted to watch Big Daddy, so it was Jordan's request. But if you made it to the end, leave me a camera emoji down in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make make it.